Hello friends, today we are going to learn mixed satin stitch. In mixed satin stitch, what we do is we have to mix many colors or two or more colors at a time in a particular design. We want to do shading or we want to show a flower with two colors or a design with many colors. We use this stitch. So we will consider a rectangular shape for doing a stitch. For this, for the very first, I will start with a single color. So now I have, if I have to do one color, I will do it shading directly for one color. But if I have more than one colors, consider I have two colors, I will take 3 lines. I will take 3 lines. I will divide my design in 3 parts such that this will be of one color, this will be of one color, and the center one will be for the mixed color. I will show you. So very first, if I have, I will name my lines. So first line is A, B, C, D. Now if I want to do with two colors, I will take, first color will be green. So I will take one short line from A to B and the second line from A to C. So this will be my first step. I will do A to B and A to C. So my first step is from A to B and from A to C. Now I will take second color. For second color, I have to see that I have to mix this both colors. Now I am taking the second color to be pink. So my first point will be from B. My second color will be from B to D and from C to D and from B to D. But if I want to mix again more colors, for each color I will take 2 lines. So I am going to take 4 colors today. That's why after 3 lines I have added for the third color and these 2 lines for the fourth color. So I will name it as D, E, F, G and H. Now I have to do many with more than 2 colors, so I have to add the third color. So my second line will go from C to E. So now my second color will be from B to D and from C to E. If I have to do with only with 2 colors, I will do it from C to D. But I have to mix more color, so I will do it from C to E. Now I have to do with the third color. Now my third color is orange. So now for orange, same I will take from D to F and from E to G. This will be my third color. Now if you will take, if you will check properly, my first line will be one short and one long. My second line will be long and long. Third color will be long and long. Whereas now when I am using my last color, so my last color I am taking will be purple. So for my purple color, you will see I have to take one long stitch from now my long colors will be from F to H and the short color will be G to H. So my last color will go again with long and short. So we have to see that the first color and the last color has long and short stitch. This is the reason why we even call this stitch as long and short stitch. You can mix one, two or many colors. That's why we can also call it as mixed satin. So these two are the names, and if you do this same stitch with a same color or with a single color, you get brick stitch. We will have again a short video on a brick stitch later. So now we have to write over here from E. So for orange color I had took from D to F and from E to G, and for the purple color I had took from F to H and from G to H. Orange is my third color and purple is my fourth color. So this is the pattern how we follow. For the first two colors we take, for the two colors we take three parts. After that, for every color we add two lines. So this is the pattern how we go for mixed satin stitch or long and short stitch. So now we are going to see the same thing on the cloth. For the cloth I am going to take, again I will draw just a rectangular shape just to show you today. So this is my cloth. 1, 2, 3 for two colors, then 4 and 5 for the third color, 6 and 7 for the next two colors. So my lines are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So we are doing with 4 colors. Now we have to select the 4 colors. For selecting the 4 colors, again we can select any colors of our choice. We can go with the same contrast colors with light to darker shade or darker to lighter shade, or exactly the opposite colors also can be selected for the shade. So now I am going to take this sequence: red, orange, green and blue. So this will be my sequence. We will start with the color red. Now we will start on the cloth. First stitch we are going to start from the above point. The point will be A. From A to B, the first line, the second line from A to C. Once again from A to B, A to C. This way we are going to continue the complete pattern. So now I am completing my video. Just check the last stitches, again the short one. It is not compulsory that the first and the last stitch should be short or long. It is completely up to you whether you want long or short stitch. Now we will go with the second color. Now my second color is orange, and I am going to start with the orange color. So again I will start my stitch from B to D and from C to E. So from B I am going to start from B to D, and from C to E. Now if you will check my short stitch, in this stitch where I am having short stitch, my B to D line starts from the short stitch of A to B, and then the second one from C to D, it will start from the long stitch of C to E. See, from B to D and from C to E, this short stitch, above it is the long stitch, and when my stitch starts from C, the stitch coming till C, it is continued. My short stitch will continue from B. From here, from B the stitch goes to D, from C the stitch goes to E with another color. Just check from C, then now again I have to start from here. So the stitch before it I have to take carefully from B to D, very close to it, and from next stitch will come over here. Just see, the next stitch will come over here upstairs, from here to E. Now my thread goes too back, that's why I can't take it from upside. I have to put my needle completely down because the stitch is too far, a little bit far distance. We can maintain any kind of distance you want for the stitches. The two colors, it is up to you how much distance you want. You can take much and less distance also, according to your choice. So this is how I had completed with two colors, and now I am going to start with the third color, that is the green color. Green color stitch we have to do D to F and E to G. E to G. The same procedure is over here. The line starting from D ending with D will start with D to F, and the line ending to E will start from E to G. Again the stitch is too far, so we will take the needle down, completely down, and then from the other side we will take the needle up. We will take the needle up over here. We have to not pull the thread too much and carefully take the stitch. I forgot one stitch in the middle, so I can take it again. And we have to continue the same way. So now here I had completed the third color, the green color, and now again the fourth color. Again my stitch will go long and short pattern. Here is my stitch starting from F. I am taking up my needle up from F and my needle from F to G, and the second stitch will go from G to H. So I am going to start from G to H. So again I had got a long and short stitch, same like in the first pattern, that is to the red color. This is my long stitch. And the short one. And I have to continue it till the end. Here I am about to finish my last color. And the long one, the last one. This is how I complete my stitch. The colors gets merged after a few time. When I will take out the cloth, the stitch will merge each other. The mixing of the colors gets appeared. Thank you.